these are some of the few businesses that I'm doing right now. What I do and what you can do is reselling business. What do I mean by reselling business? I'm trying to use my own term. Reselling business is the business. You don't need to own a shop. You don't need to own a physical shop or a shop somewhere. You can even use a digital shop. What I do, I go and see products from nice brands, like if it is homewares, I use Home Center, I use Homebox, I use IKEA, I use Pan Emirates. Those are the companies I use that provide some beautiful homewares. I take pictures and put on my website. I take pictures and put on my pages. When I put that, someone orders, I go and buy and put it there. How do I do it? I have to get in contact with the supplier, and he knows Christine will be buying this and that. And the moment I do delivery, I get my money. So you can also do it depending on your zeal, depending on what you feel you want. But it can take a step and you get your own business from there. When I go to clothing, a lot of websites have very beautiful clothing. So I partner with them. I will market their products. When someone wants them, they do delivery. I get mine, they get theirs. So it's what you can do. You can really get in touch with all these people and do it. You don't need to own the shop. You don't need capital and go there and buy and bring it and keep in your houses. No. It is not workable like that. So there is no excuse for us. Then another business we can do, and you can do, did it partially, is remote online businesses or employment. This one, I've done it. I've gotten some dollars. They might be little, but it comes. When at home, you can register. You can go and search and register on some of the websites that are giving tests for surveys, that are giving remote jobs, and you work per hour. They give you your dollars. You go back home. You can take tests. When you pass, you also, if you want, I'll let you know how I passed my test, how I did my first $20. How I did it, my first 20, because my first payment was $20. And this is just on that internet. You're just seated at home and you do it. You move on and you get it. However, you have to be careful, because there are some others which might be not legit and they waste your time. Another business I recommend and I'm doing right now is about investing in assets. If you want to do that, these are some of the businesses that are legitimate, and apart from using your hard energy, like showing up every day on Instagram, on YouTube to make a video. If you're sick, like right now, I'm not feeling okay, it means the next day your money will go down. Apart from that, you can invest somewhere. There's this project, there's this business called QZ Asset Management. If you invest your money there, you sleep every week. At the end of every Monday, you're going to get your deposit. Also, if you want to join in that business, you can give me a call, you can send me a message. I'll give you one of the mentors that is mentoring me and has been mentoring me to give you a highlight on it. These are some of the few businesses that I'm doing right now. There are others that have done business like food packing. I talk of snacks. I've done this business, and I encourage every beautiful young lady and young gentleman that is out there. I got a car from this food packaging of daddies and mandazi. Even you can do it. Don't wait to be a vagabond. Don't wait to beg. Don't wait to be scrolled because you don't have money. No. You can sit in your home and pack daddies, which is chini chini. You can sit in your home and pack popcorns. The only thing you need is packaging. Packaging. Thank you very much. These are the few ones I've given you, but I have a lot that I'm doing. I'll be sharing with you. Remember, why we are sharing this is this 2023, we have to manifest. We have to close our eyes and remember what we want to do. Just wherever you are even right now, close and remember what you want to be in 2023 and forward. Visualize it, see it, and see how can you do it. Something small, anything, that step you're going to take is going to make you flourish. Thank you very much. If you know this video has added something in you, please go down and put a thumbs up, and also highlight by liking it, share. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and if you haven't watched our previous video, please go and watch it. Thank you very much. This has been Christine. If you really feel you want to say thank you to us, we have been blessed. You can sit down on our channel. There is this $sign. You can click there. You can donate anything for Immaculate Show, whereby that donation goes only to charity. It goes only to the kids, to the people who are not able to look after themselves. So you can do that. We are blessed that we have that sign. So use that chance. Thank you very much. This has been Christine once again on Immaculate Show.